When Europe's largest trade fair and conference for advanced battery manufacturing and technology is coming to Stuttgart in Germany, Nordfab will be there. Maintaining high levels of efficiency and productivity is paramount to success in the realm of any industrial process. Accumulated dust and other particles poses a significant risk to equipment and machinery, leading to unplanned downtime for cleaning, maintenance, and repairs. By effectively capturing dust, debris, and scrap material before infiltrating machinery, EV battery manufacturer can experience fewer breakdowns and operational interruptions. Whether ductwork is needed at the electrode manufacturing, cell assembly, or cell finishing stage, Nordfab's Quick Fit is the preferred choice of ductwork. Some of the benefits of using Quick Fit ducting include fast and easy to install. Quick Fit is a modular clip-together ducting system. No rivets, screws, or welding are needed, which cuts installation and downtime by up to 50%. Quick Fit is easy to uninstall and relocate as you move machinery or have other changes in work areas. Quick Fit components are adaptable to existing ductwork. But perhaps the greatest benefit: we have the data needed to get our products into specifications. Nordfab has great experience in powering clean air, as our ducting systems have successfully been installed in several large EV battery plants. Be our guest at the battery show. Get your free ticket by visiting our website. See you in Stuttgart!